Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Ashley DonDrea, and I am back with another video. I am still in Las Vegas, partying with my girls for her birthday. She is 34 this morning. Yeah. We about to go to breakfast, y'all. She still got her mask on, but we about to go downstairs in the hotel. We staying at the MGM. We about to go eat us some breakfast. This video, make sure y'all stay with me because we did go to the water show at the Bellagio last night. Beautiful, amazing time. Got a funny scene. And I'm going to put all of that in this video. So just make sure y'all stay with me. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And if you already are subscribed, welcome back. Okay? I will see y'all after we get done eating breakfast. Or, matter of fact, I'm going to see y'all while we eating breakfast because I'm going to show y'all this food because it better be good. Okay? All right. Catch y'all in a second. Mimosa time, mimosas. Birthday. 30. Wow, baby. Oh, that fresh fruit, y'all. Look at that pineapple. Oh my gosh.
It's like a hand model right now.
Right, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Anything else so far?
Nope, that's it. Thank you.
Big breakfast.
Thank you.
Thanks. I want to touch on something.
Before,
Our French toast was what, $15?
for the 3, if you get the full one. This one was just an upgrade. So we
Okay.
only, I think it was like $3 or something.
Oh, I won't about to pay that. Oh, ketchup.
Oh my gosh, look at these peppers, y'all.
I bet the extra ketchup.
Y'all see this omelet? Oh my gosh, y'all. That is good. I heard about the omelet. What you get in yours? I got bacon, sausage, onions, and bell peppers, and cheese. The potatoes got onions and peppers cooked all into it. Good. All right, y'all. We about to pop this bottle. What we got? What is it? What is it, though? Let's see first. Okay, strawberry. All right. Come on, birthday chick.
Oh, I'm scared.
Girl, come on. Shit, it's your birthday. Turn up. Pop that bottle. Pop. You gonna put your mouth right on the bottle? Look at you.
Just like
Look at her.
y'all weren't gonna drink that anyway.
How you know we weren't gonna drink none?
Oh, it's a personal bottle.
Yeah. That shit was scary.
All I want to say is that she didn't make this bottle her own personal bottle because she put her mouth on it.
Yeah, I did.
Now we don't get on champagne. We just gonna have to take another shot of the tequila.
Yeah.
Patron, shot time. We about to go to the pool, y'all. So that's why I got my swimming suit on. Sure. Swimming suits on. We going to the pool. All right. Okay. We done met us a new friend on the elevator. Isn't there like 3 pools?
What?
Is there like 3 pools or just from looking from our room? I'm like, I know there's more than just this one pool.
Lucky Pool is our largest, and then in the far corner we have our 18-inch over pool. Those are open until 6.
That's
Okay.
the porn pool.
No, it's not European style, but it just doesn't allow kids, so it's a little bit more relaxing.
Okay.
So porn, I get it.
Porn pool. Keep our mask on. You cannot take your mask off. It's hot as heck.
Happy birthday.
Nothing but goodbye. Talking about, look at her butt. We know she got her butt done. Only her. Okay, yeah. How you doing today, Tim?
How about you?
Good.
Mommy bag. Oh, I can't find my phone. Too hot.
One way again.
You gonna get down on the ground a little bit?
They just wear their mask up.
I'm happy.
All
I'm
right.
just happy.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Hey y'all, this little machine right here on the corner, this man told me to play. It's been being real good to me. I'm up another $40. I done won 100, and I didn't only put $20 in this machine. I done been over 100, and I keep playing, and it's still giving me free spins. So I'm all for the extra free money. Thank you.
$24 so far. So I still got one more spin, or that was it.
You won 2 gold.
I'll take that. $42. Total win $4,675. So I won $42.
$42.
Delilah, why you messing with him?
Hey.
And broad is the way that leads to destruction, and many there be that go therein. Sin, Satan, hellfire, that is where you're heading toward. Unless you repent, you will all likewise perish. Do not say, oh, I go to church. I believe in God too. The demons believe in this and they tremble. Jesus warned churchgoers, saying, not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven. Only those who do the will of my Father in heaven. There's a lot of people here who claim to be Christians, and yet you go to the strip club, you get drunk, you have one-night stands, and you claim to know Christ. He will say to you, depart from me, I never knew you. You curse it into the everlasting fire. Prepare for the devil and his angels. Sin, Satan, hellfire, that is exactly where you are heading towards. What will it profit you if you gain everything in this life and you lose your soul in hell? Where the one dies not and the fire will never be quenched. 1 second after you die, you're going to wish you were never born. You say, I don't believe in God. You say, I'm an atheist. You don't worry, you'll believe when you get there. Time is running out. Judgment day is approaching. Sin, Satan, hellfire. That is where you are heading towards. Every single one of you. Unless you repent, you will all likewise perish. You'll have no excuse on Judgment Day.
Many of the overhead compartments, please use caution as carry-on items may have moved during takeoff and landing.